Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. What have I got for you today? You know, if you can see me, I've got a goodie for you. So today is a gorgeous little gift box. And this is our Delicate Daisy gift box. It's a designer choice die set, so you know everything is compact and it's a lovely little set. And it makes a fair size box. So let's have a little look, shall we? It'll be available in both UK and US and everywhere the ships from those two areas as well. So this will be how your die set comes to you. So as I say, it's a compact little die set. Lots of pretty little patterns in there and a lovely little rolled rose, which we love. I love a rolled rose. I think they finish off everything really, really well. This is how your die cuts. So you've got a male side and a female side. I'm going to call that because the one slots into the other. So the male has no cut in the centre. The female has a cut. So you're going to cut 3 of each of these and you're going to line them up around the hexagon, making sure that you've got a male opposite a female so they lock together. So we get the 2 sides and we get the base, and basically that is it for your box. That is how you make it. Everything else is additional pattern. So you can see from that you are going to make some gorgeous projects from it. So these 2 little bits here, they will decorate the 2 tops here. So if I show you this box, underneath your petal, let me just bring it in so you can see, right underneath your petal, that's the bit that these 2 shapes are going to sit. So they just add a little bit extra decoration underneath. You've got the 2 little tabs here, they are decoration to go on the side fins. If you don't like the fins poking out, you can glue them inside the box and then you get a more even effect. As we've done, I say we, that really is the royal we. This one is made by Christine and she's glued them all inside. So move on to the next set now. This is our rolled rose and this is how it looks. So it's a really, really cute little rose. Have a play with the rose with different textures of card. The thicker the card, the more open the rose is. So this is done with a paper. It's quite a thick paper. I'm not sure of the GSM, probably about 130 I would say. And that's rolled quite tightly. If you look at the bigger roses here, and I've just pulled that one, which I shouldn't have. This is made with a 250 GSM. So it's a lot bigger petals and a lot bigger in shape. So moving on to our next board, and again, we've got leaves as well. So you can either cut the pattern in or you leave it plain. So you can layer these up, you can get more depth with your leaves. Very, very pretty. And this then is all the decoration for the box. So I've tried to go down the box as I'm showing you. So the smaller panels will go in this part here. The bigger panels go on the base. And you've also got some sentiments to go on the base. So I'm going to lift it up just so you can see a little bit more. And you have fun little box and you have a little something. And then the beautiful leafy designs here, they go on the top petals. So we've got some that are very ornate. Well, they're all very ornate actually, but some look a little bit more classic shapes. Some are a little bit more organic. And they come in scalloped and plain edge. So absolutely gorgeous dies for you to work with. Let's show you some gorgeous samples from our girls. So I've shown you this one in the lovely rose golds. Again, these are all the patterns cut in here, but on the sides we've used a pattern paper. So you can mix and match. Do you want to make it a quicker project and use your pattern papers? This is lovely. Love the rose golds. This is Vicky. Beautiful. Let me show you how it opens as well, because I haven't done that. So we've got the little tabs that slot into each other. And that will open. So the next layer opens. So you're unwrapping a gift as you go in. So makes it even more exciting then. It's almost like that gift in a gift in a gift. And then the last one then. And then you open up and your little gift box is inside. So if we can see, oh, my petals are over the top. So there's your gift box inside. If you wanted to make it that it's a bigger gift, don't glue the top tabs together and then you'll have a bigger opening. I think this would be perfect for Mother's Day. I think it would be perfect for Easter to fill with lovely little Easter eggs. I'll do it back up now so you can see it. So I'm popping the petal through the opening. And each one, make sure you're not tangled up with anything else. So there's your first one done. Your next one, make sure they're not tangled with the others. Pop it through the opening. And then just slide. The two little tabs on the outside will slide back and forth. So that's that one. And last but not least, we got the end just closing on the top. And that's what makes your daisy. So it's a really cute little design. If you're going to decorate the top with flowers, pop the flowers on the petal that is not sliding through. If you put it on the petal that is sliding through, you're not going to be able to open the box. So you need to put it on the ones with the slit in, and it's not going to interfere with the opening and closing. So what else have we got? We've got some lovely pattern papers. So this one is Jen. Love these almost vintage papers here that she's used, and a black box. Gives it a stunning effect. Then we've gone here with a little bit of Nuvo, and we've decorated with some flowers. I know this is Shilpa, because Shilpa loves to add her little flower decorations and keep things quite simple there. So this one then, again, we've gone with all the designs on here. We've thrown everything at it. And underneath the petals, we've put a different colour as well. So you can change the colour beneath your petals. This one we've gone very spring-like. And that's what I think this box is, very, very spring-like. Gorgeous greens there, pearlescent and our classic card. And finished off with a beautiful rose. And this is our Vicky as well. And a little something. You choose what that little something is, because it could be very, very exciting. This was the one I showed you to start with. Christina's finished off here with a lovely little flower, but she's not glued the layers of the leaf together. I'm hoping you're picking it up just to give a little bit more depth. Love those colours. A little bit something different now. These are one from Jen Cray and one from Ruth. So Jen has completely taken off the daisy flowers on the top, and she's just left it as a little opening. So it's just like a little cup. So that there would sit an Easter egg perfectly, or even some little mini eggs that you want to pop inside. Ruth has done this and gone a step further, and she has folded the top panels. So these are the panels, these. Let me show you on the board, be easier. She's taken these panels here, she's put two of them together and she's folded them and glued them all around the top of the box. So that's a lovely little addition as well. That I think needs to hold a little posy, because I think that looks like a flower vase to me. Make sure I'm showing everybody's. I'm not sure if I've shown you this one, but I'm going to show you again. This is Christine's again, and she's popped her flower onto the side with a slit, so it's not going to interfere in opening. Lovely colours in this one, Christine. Beautiful. What about a little tag? So this is Christine again. So she's used the base. This is the hexagon, that's right, for the base. She's used that as her tag and layered it up. Popped a thanks on it with some flowers and leaves. And that will hang on your gift then. It's a lovely little effect. Again, look at the dies in your set. What else can you do with them? Christine always makes a card to go with her boxes that she sends in. Again, she's made a flower with the petals here, and she's used 2 layers of that coiled flower. So she's left one a little bit bigger and popped the other one inside. Really pretty. And again, she's gone with a hexagon base here. Lovely, lovely colours again. So that's another idea to do. We've gone almost summery here to me, this is Jen. And I love this colour scheme. So we've got a fun little box, and the colours are fun as well. So I think this is another beauty. Gorgeous. Oops, nearly dropped then. So she's got a fun little box all the way around and then decorated. We've gone a little bit blingy here, and this is Dawney. So Dawney's used our handmade papers and a bit of mirror card to go with it. So that's another pretty one. Another idea. These little bits of paper are small as well. So if you've got little bits left from projects that you think, I don't know what I'm going to use with these, this is the perfect project. This one is another Dawney, and she's layered up the 2 sides and done a little bit of faux stitching. So if you keep an eye on the website and on the Facebook page, all the girls will post their instructions and how they've made these and their videos and everything on there. This one is made by Ruth, and she's cut the bottom panel into the box. So you could have a little sneaky peek of whatever you've put inside, and then a few little gems to finish it off on top. We're coming to the end now, I'm sorry to say. So this is Ruth again. She used a little bit of pattern paper and then decorated the flowers on top of the petals. And now last but not least, and this is a fun little box by Shilpa, and absolutely gorgeous. So what are you going to put in your box? Let us know. Are you keeping it for yourself, or are you going to give it away as prezzies? Whatever you do, happy crafting, and see you soon. Bye.